on camera, but yeah, I'll go around it and
I'll get out of your way.
See the chrome cover on the. Is this just?
Spare.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, okay. Ugh. Still runs though, minus the transmission cooler. Another one. He missed this door too, just barely.
Yeah, that door looks alright.
Doors are savable.
Yeah, I'm gonna save both doors. I'm not gonna touch the doors.
I just wondered how they did these.
Take all the way across.
Does it come with the spare tire that they took off?
There, wheels anyhow.
And new leaf springs. I didn't get inside the bed. Oh, I'm gonna fall on my ass. Oh wow. It's actually clean up here.
Yeah, I didn't really, I took a peek at it quick, but I didn't really look into it.
No, it's clean. And they got the, yeah, they got the lights back here too.
Oh shit, there's some.
Lights on the side.
Is that what that thing is in the front of camper thing?
Yeah, that goes. Yeah, I see it.
So it wasn't used for a work truck. The little pockets in it for them too. This one's broken for some reason.
Oh, I'm jealous. Yeah, I like those. I'm hoping that whatever truck I buy has that, but I doubt there is so much. There's plenty of room back here.
Yeah, this is longer than the regular.
Oh, the airbags went off.
That's not too bad. The seatbelts need replaced.
Clean title or?
No.
Okay. Hard title, unfortunately, but I mean, yeah, for what it is.
The frame's straight though.
It's on.
Either roll back or see if the push the e-brake on. Hang on. You find e-brake lever. Okay, we're good. We say if not, take the jack off.
Just make sure you're. Don't run over the fender like I did. Turn your wheels the other way. You're gonna. You guys hear that? I don't know if you can hear the little electric motor in there.
Yeah, I hear it.
That's weird. The steering boxes, the bolts are broken.
The ramp, so. You're good over here, so you should be good over there.
You definitely cut it more, it's straightening up.
Yeah, a little more.
What the? This thing just rolled over 100,000 miles too. I'd try to.
We need to strap up in the Durango, but I think I got another one down here.
If you had something with a push bumper, you could just
Yeah.
push it. Alright, take the Dakota. By the way, this thing's still for sale if you guys want it. 6,500 bucks. We're gonna take this, pull that in. Oh, this is 4-wheel drive. I remember when he bought this, and I initially thought he said this was 2-wheel drive, but it is not. It is 4-wheel. And it is a cool little truck with plenty of cab space. Alright, I'm going to use 4 low. Oh wow, that's very torquey. Use 4 low to get up this little hill here. That's how we're doing it. He's gonna do the steering, and I'm gonna pull it in because that's just the way we're doing it. All right, move it over. I pushed Josh's over myself with my butt. Yes. No, not. I'd have to push on something. Nice little rig. 4-wheel drive using 4 low. Pull this thing once he gets the wheels straight. This thing's got some torque to it. Ugh, believe it or not, it still runs. Even with the fan like that, but there's no belt on there, so. Alright, good when you are. It does run. I don't know. Oh, I thought you were handling that. I put. Oh. Oh, it's got music. Yeah, where's the exhaust at? Fire up video before I head out. About the exhaust on it. Get my kickstand down. Yeah, I'm ready. Might want to throw a jump pack on it. Alright, take 2. We put a jump pack on it. Nothing? Did it start earlier? Should be, yeah.
Sure you're on good? No, you're not on.
Oh, very well. Alright. Take 3. She's running. Other than the transmission cooler, that's why we couldn't drive it. But and the broken bolts. Now, yeah.
Yeah, I'll get it your way.
All the bolts came out.
Yeah, all 3. So I can probably just order factory ones unless I can get it the.
I know where you can get 3. Well, I don't know if the 3rd gen ones will fit, but I have 3rd gen steering.
You can check. I can give you the bolt off the. There's only one left.
There's all the pieces, all the bad pieces, hood. All this will get replaced. You said so. All of this is.
Well, that's going to need replaced. I gotta check.
The other thing, it pulls out of here, but
Yeah, I think they're spot welded here, here. I think they're just spot welded in here. I have to check the parts repair, and then this all comes as one piece, which is fine.
sweet.
This is actually smarter than the second and third, or the 3rd gen.
Oh yeah.
This once you unbolt, the whole thing comes off in one giant piece.
Yeah, I don't know why they did that way on the 3rd gens,
Kind of
but
nice because that being bent, I can replace it.
there's the aftermath after I left yesterday. Saw the parts on the floor, rads out, all the coolers off. You really wedged that fan in there, huh? So it would have actually probably ran and drove because there's no, the transmission cooler's, yeah, it's bent, but it's fine. So, but unfortunately with all the bolts breaking out of the steering box, got lucky, all the pieces came right out. This would be a good little shop truck, but oh, I did get the thing out. And I put a new one in here. There's the old one, that was pretty bent. This one can be straightened. It's a little bend right here. This is straight. Oh, this is straight. Minus this piece up here, but it's gonna make a hell of a shop truck. 6.4 Hemi, automatic. Showed you guys the interior already, and I'll keep going through with it as he's getting it done, so.
Oh, if you want to film, I'll head back up. I'm gonna grab my keys.
Oh yeah, so that side's the only one that needs to come off yet, and then plow mounts on. There's all the parts, everything ready for reassembly. Funny enough, it still runs. Well, with a battery in it, obviously, but yeah. All the parts will be in. We'll make an update video once stuff starts getting thrown on it. This is going to get removed since another one's coming anyway, so might as well just use them both, and here you guys go. Episode 1 of it. Hey, one of your Scotch brates is down in the engine. Landed on the valve cover.
I was wondering what happened to that.
Yeah, it was on the valve cover. Cool. That'll do it for this part. Part 1, I'm going to head out. I got plenty of stuff to do today, and then, yeah, as always, link in the description. Go check out Mud Flap. I'm going to call it quits here. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one.